So I am trying out my air fryer. This is my air fryer, and I am going to try to make 15-minute snow crab legs. The only thing that I did so far, I placed them in the air fryer. I added just a little cornstarch. I sprayed it with the olive oil cooking spray. Make sure that focus in. Okay, so that's all I did. My air fryer is a little small, but I did not feel like turning on my oven or anything like that, so I just wanted to see what my results will look like. So let's put it in. Put it on 15 minutes. Let's see. That's 15 minutes, and I'll be back. So off camera, I chopped up some Italian parsley, some garlic, and I added just a little bit more butter. And I'm going to place this in the microwave, and I'm going to add just a couple dashes of Old Bay seasoning. The air fryer is still going, and now I'm going to place the garlic butter sauce in the microwave for about a minute. Okay, it's been 15 minutes. Guess it got a little stuck. So let me go ahead and put them on. They're hot. Throw this in the garbage. I'll clean that later. So this is the butter sauce I made, and if anybody have questions about what type of butter I use the Kerry Gold Irish Butter. This is just one stick. So now going to spoon this over. My goodness, look at that. The only reason why I'm not pouring the whole entire butter over it yet is because the bowl is really hot. Let me put some butter up. Oh, that looks good. Okay, so now put all the rest of this goodness over it. This works for me. The crabs are piping hot. It's not bad. Not bad. Let me get the rest of this. Well, you guys, look at that. Garlic is all over. And I think I'm going to top it with a little Old Bay. Hold on just a moment. I put Old Bay seasoning already in the butter, but I think I'm going to go ahead and just put a little over. So there you go, you guys. I made 15-minute snow crab legs in an air fryer. Microwave the butter, the parsley, and Old Bay together. Waited for the crab legs to get done, and just poured all of this goodness over the crab legs. That's right. I'm about to enjoy. Thanks.